5th standard social, second lesson towards history. So yesterday we have finished this lesson. Now we are going to see some of the exercises in your book. So take your book, children. If you are having the book, you can tick the answers. Those who are not having the book, you take your rough notebook and note down the fill up the blanks, everything, and you can write and learn at home. Okay, first one, choose the best answer. Paleolithic humans. Paleolithic humans is dash. They wore cotton clothes or woolen clothes or leaves and skins of animals. So which one is the correct answer? Or leaves of skins of animals. They only wear the leaves and the skins of animals. So Paleolithic humans. Paleolithic humans dash. Such a big dash they given, no? So they given the options. So we can write the correct answer. Or leaves and skins of animals. Leaves and skins of animals. So they don't know anything, they didn't invented anything. எதுவுமே அவங்க அந்த காலத்துல கண்டுபிடிக்கல. என்ன போடணும்னு தெரியல. So thus they have taken the leaves and the skins of the animals. And dash was the first pet animal of the man. Which was the first pet animal of the man? Dog was the first pet animal of the man. Dog was the first pet animal of man. Okay, dog was the first pet animal of man. And what was the first metal? What is the first metal discovered by the man, early human? What was the first metal? First metal discovered by கண்டுபிடிச்சது first humans கண்டுபிடிச்ச first metal வந்து discovered by early human ஆதிவாசிகள் first அவங்க கண்டுபிடிச்சது, that is the copper. early human என்ன கண்டுபிடிச்சாங்கன்னா copper. Okay, so this is in your book, page number 160. You see, children. So Paleolithic humans or leaves and skins of animals. Dog was the pet animal of man, first pet animal. So dog, only the dog, he can take the dog anywhere he goes. So is the first pet animal of man. And what was the first metal discovered by the early human? Copper is the first metal discovered by the early humans. Okay, children. Now have you all noted down these answers, those who are having the book? Now we'll move on to the fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks is also is in your book. So fill in the blanks. So in fill in the blanks, I'll write the full answer. So listen carefully. Fill in the blanks. So early man lived in jungles. Say early man lived in jungles. He lived in jungles. Dash, underline this. Early man lived in jungles. The Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapons. Okay, the Stone Age is the period in which the stones were used as weapons. The Stone Age, கற்காலம், first stones தான் அவங்க யூஸ் பண்ணாங்க. So first the Stone Age is the period where the Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapons. Okay, the Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapons. Can you understand, children? Say it again. Early man lived in jungles. Then the Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapons. Then dash was used to produce fire. Flint stones, the type of the flint stones was used to produce fire. Flint stone was used to produce fire, right? Flintstone. Then dash is the first scientific invention of the man. So wheel is the first scientific invention of the man. So wheel is the first scientific invention. So wheel is the first scientific invention of the early man. Okay, then the next one, at the end of the Stone Age, dash was invented. At the end of the Stone Age, copper was invented. At the end of the Stone Age, copper was invented. Okay, children. So underline this copper. Okay, say early man lived in jungles. The Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapons. Flintstone was used to produce fire. Wheel is the first scientific invention of man. At the end of the Stone Age, copper was invented. So learn the spelling and try to write the answer in your book. If you didn't get your book, children, better buy it as early as possible. Okay, so this fill in the blanks we have learned. So I am saying once again, early man lived in jungles. The Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapons. Flintstone was used to produce fire. Wheel is the first scientific invention of man. At the end of the Stone Age, copper was invented. So in this we learnt about the old Stone Age and the new Stone Age. So old Stone Age period, what all they used, how they lived, okay, everything we have seen. Now the next one is we'll write the one word question answers. Okay, now okay. Answer the following. Answer the following. So first one is, what is Stone Age? What do you mean by the Stone Age? What is Stone Age? Say all of you. What is Stone Age? The answer is, the Stone Age is the period. The Stone Age is the period in which stones were used. Stones were used as weapons. Okay, children. So what is Stone Age? The Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapons. Okay, now we'll move on to the next question. How are Stone Age classified? Answer is the Stone Age is classified as 3 stages, that is the Stone Age. The Stone Age is classified as Paleolithic Age, Paleolithic Age, அதுதான் Stone Age ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay. Then Mesolithic Age, Middle Stone Age. Mesolithic Age, Middle Stone Age. Then Neolithic Age, New Stone Age. Neolithic Age, New Stone Age. Okay, these are the Stone Age are classified. The Stone Age is classified as Paleolithic Age is also known as the Stone Age. Mesolithic Age is known as the Middle Stone Age, and Neolithic Age is known as the New Stone Age. Okay then. Then that's all, children. So now you can take a book and go through the lesson and learn the spellings both. Next question, shall I write it? Okay. Chalcolithic Age and Neolithic Age. So learn this, fill in the blanks again. I'll tell you that choose the best answer. Paleolithic humans or leaves and skins of animals. In your book you are saying, take your book, page number 160. You are given the choose the best answer. They are given the 3 options: or cotton clothes, or woolen clothes, and or leaves and skins of animals. So we can write the answer: or leaves and skins of animals. And dash was the first pet animal of the man, cow, horse and dog. Dog was the first pet animal of man. What was the first metal discovered by early human? Iron, copper and gold. Copper. Then fill in the blanks. Early man lived in dash. Early man lived in jungles. The Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapons. Dash was used to produce fire. Flintstone was used to produce fire. Dash is the first scientific invention of the man. Wheel is the first scientific invention of the man. At the end of the New Stone Age, dash was invented. At the end of the New Stone Age, copper was invented. Okay, children. So while you are at home, you take a book and practice the reading habit. Okay. So you take page number 152. I'll give the oral practice. So you can say at the back, or you can see how I pronouncing the words. So towards history, Stone Age. In the beginning, humans were not aware of metals. They took several years to discover metals. They used only this stone weapon. See your book 152. Our lives today are their gift. During this period, humans were not aware of scripts. The Stone Age is a period in which stones were used as weapons. So like this, paragraph by paragraph, you learn this and underline the spelling: beginning, aware, then several, discover, metals, period, gift, humans, scripts, then weapons. So all the hard word spelling you can underline and learn the spelling in this fill up and as well as in the question answer also. And one paragraph by paragraph you can underline the spelling and learn the dictation words like that. So that's all, children. So go through this lesson and learn everything. Thank you, children.